Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Slovenia on successfully completing the diagnostic phase of your national skills strategy. You have produced a comprehensive diagnostic report identifying 9 key skills challenges for your country. National skills strategies are a key instrument to help design and implement reforms with the whole of government approach, which is central to this OECD-led process. Slovenia is the 4th country to benefit from EU funding to develop your skills strategy, and you are the 2nd to reach the action phase, which actively tackles the systemic challenges identified in your national context. The 9 challenges identified focus on developing the skills your country needs for tomorrow's workplace, on better use and activation of existing skills, and on strengthening Slovenia's skills system. These fit very well with the priorities of our skills agenda for Europe agreed last June. I wish you every success in tackling these challenges. Europe stands ready to support you with financing, with targeted tools, and with continued involvement of Commission experts in workshops. Thank you.